Greetings of the day. Welcome, dear student. Welcome to Learn English with me. In last video, we talked about prepositions and then we talk about the uses of in. Today, I am going to proceed with you with the uses of on. So, let's start with the first use, that on is used before डेज. किसके साथ यूज होता है? डेज के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू आर यू फ्री ऑन मंडे, तो आपने कभी ध्यान दिया कि जब भी हम किसी भी डे का नाम लेते हैं तो बिफोर द नेम ऑफ द डे वी राइट ऑन. आर यू फ्री ऑन मंडे? नो, आई एम नॉट फ्री ऑन Monday. Let's take another example. I went back to work on Monday. मैं दोबारा काम पे rejoin कब करूंगा? On Monday. Next example. Tina wished me on my birthday. अब birthday भी एक particular जो है वो दिन पे ही होगा, इसीलिए क्या लिखा है? On my birthday. So first use of on is before the days. Next, let's proceed with the other use. On is also used before the dates. For example, Leela left for Paris on April 3rd. किसके साथ क्या बोला मैंने अभी? दैट बिफोर डेट्स. तो डेट क्या है? 3rd मेंशन किया हुआ है, तो क्या आएगा? लीला लेफ्ट फॉर पेरिस ऑन April 3rd. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, ही इन्वाइटेड मी ऑन हिज बर्थडे. तो बर्थडे अगेन पर्टिकुलर डेट पे होगा. वी सेलिब्रेटेड दिवाली ऑन अक्टूबर. तो with the name of the days we use on. Next use is before parts of the day. यहाँ मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूंगी, don't get confused. In is also used with the parts of the day. हमने पढ़ा था, लेकिन वो जो हम parts of day थे क्या थे? In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But here we are talking about rest of the day, parts of the day. For example, Shreya met her dance teacher yesterday. Fourth use is with the surfaces. For example, I am on the roof. Next, my key is on the table. Another example, we live on the first floor. Let's take another use of on. The on is also used with the flat surfaces. Flat surfaces refers to the cities areas, rivers, etc. For example, the Way Mall is on the corner of Main Street. So on is used with the flat surface. Next, what is there on the water? Water के ऊपर वाली surface को भी हम flat मानते हैं. तो basically यहाँ पे question क्या पूछा जा रहा है कि what is floating on the water? Okay, so what is that on the water? Let's proceed. On is also used with continuous action. For example, he keeps on sleeping. He keeps on smiling in the class. He keeps on studying and many more. This is all about the uses of on. So, stay safe, stay at your place, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.